Oklahoma Statute and Revision Legislation Quiz, Part 4, number 31. The board shall pay into the general revenue fund of the state an amount equal to what percentage of all licensure and certification fees? A, 5%, B, 10%, C, 20%, or D, 50%? Answer B. The board shall pay into the general revenue fund an amount equal to 10% of all licensure and certification fees. Number 32. All employees of the board shall be considered in which type of state service? A, classified service, B, unclassified service, C, executive service, or D, volunteer service? Answer B. All employees of the board, current or future, shall be considered in the unclassified service. Number 33. Which organizations' meetings and membership fees can the board make expenditures for from the Professional Engineers and Surveyors Fund? A, American Society of Civil Engineers, the ASCE. B, National Society of Professional Surveyors, NSPS. C, the National Council of Examiners for Engineering and Surveying, the NCEES. Or D, the American Institute of Architects, the AIA. Answer C. Expenditures can be made for the expenses of the board's delegates for meetings of and membership fees to the National Council of Examiners in Engineering and Surveying, meaning the national nonprofit organization composed of engineering and surveying licensing boards, commonly called NCEES. Number 34. What record shall the board keep for all applications for licensing? A, name, date of birth, and last known mailing and email address of each applicant. B, the date of application. C, the education, experience, and other qualifications of the applicant. Or D, all of the above. Answer D. Subsections 1 through 11 list all the items the board can keep a record of for applications for licensing. A, B, C are all included. Number 35. Which of the following records may be kept confidential by the board? A, examination materials and exam scores or results. B, the board's annual report to the governor. C, complete rosters for licensees. Or D, the date of license was granted. Answer A. Subsection E lists confidential records including examination materials, file records of examination, problem solutions, exam scores, or results. Number 36. Complete rosters showing the names of the last known mailing addresses of all professional engineers, professional structural engineers, professional surveyors, certified interns, and firms holding a certificate of authority shall be made available to A, the executive director only, B, licensees and the public, C, NCEES only, or D, the governor only. Answer B. Roster information shall be made available to the licensees and the public. Number 37. What is the minimum education requirement for certification as an engineer intern? A. Satisfy the education requirements as outlined in the section and pass the NCEES Fundamentals of Engineering examination. B. Pass the NCEES Principles and Practice of Engineering, PE, examination. C. Hold a professional structural engineer license. Or D. Have 15 years of progressive engineering experience. Answer A. Certification as an engineer intern requires 1. Satisfy the education requirements as outlined in this section, and 2. Passing the National Council of Examiners for Engineering and Surveying Fundamentals of Engineering, FE, examination. Number 38. How many years' experience are required for an individual with an EAC or ABET accredited bachelor's degree in engineering for initial licensure as a professional engineer? A. 2 years of experience after the bachelor's degree is conferred. B. 3 years of experience after the bachelor's degree is conferred. C. 4 years of experience after the bachelor's degree is conferred. Or D. 6 years of experience after the bachelor's degree is conferred. Answer C. This category requires 4 years of experience after the bachelor's degree is conferred. Number 39. The board may waive the FE examination requirement for a professional engineer license if the applicant possesses a minimum of how many years of progressive experience? A. 10 years. B. 12 years. C. 15 years. Or D. 20 years. Answer C. The board may waive the FE exam for applicants with a minimum of 15 years of progressive experience on engineering projects. Number 40. What are the examination requirements for initial licensure as a professional surveyor after completing the education and experience requirements? A. NCEES, Fundamentals of Surveying and Principles in Practice Surveying only. B. NCEES, Fundamentals of Engineering, the FE and Principles of Practice of Engineering, PE only. C. NCEES, Fundamentals of Surveying, the FS, Professional and Practice of Surveying, the PS, and the Oklahoma Law of Surveying Examination, or D. Only the Oklahoma Law and Surveying OLS Examination. Answer C. The required examination are the NCEES Fundamentals of Surveying, the FS examination, the NCEES Principles and Practice of Surveying, PS examination, and the Oklahoma Law of Surveying Examination. This concludes the Oklahoma Statute Revision Legislation Quiz, Part 4. Remember to watch Part 1 through 3, and remember that you are the
Surveyor in training!